Geometry Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into the final question of your assessment paper number 10. Alright, this question, I actually saw your faces when you received the piece of paper and you saw this drawing and you were so scared. Oh my god, please stop being scared, girls. Just remember that everything can be solved. Okay, so this is how we're going to do this question. I'm going to read to you the question and then you take a look whether it's easy or difficult. It's pretty easy actually. Now let's take a look. At 8:40 a.m., Aryan boarded a train at town A. So this is town A, okay? So he started at 8:40 a.m. To travel to town D, which is all the way on the other side. Okay, imagine you're taking an MRT train. Okay, you start at 8:40, it ends at 12:50. Okay, the only good benefit that we have in Singapore is that our distances is not that far. It won't take you that long. Okay, now it says that it took him 2 hours and 15 minutes to reach town B. So from town A to town B, it took him 2 hours and 15 minutes. Then from town C to town D, from here to here, it took him 1 hour and 5 minutes. Now the question is, if Aryan reached town D at 12:50 p.m., what was the total time taken for him to travel from town A all the way to town D? Okay, basically you know the time that he took for to reach D, and you know the time it took for him when he left town A. Can you tell me how do I find the time taken in between? If you said minus, you are right. Very good job. So 12:50 p.m., 8:40 a.m. Okay, 12:50 p.m. So basically, can we draw for you? Draw a similar kind of drawing. Okay, so A, where's B? B, where's C? C, this is A. My A hilang already. Plus D over here. So 8:40 a.m. 12:50 p.m. Okay, don't confuse p.m. and a.m. 12:50 p.m. means afternoon and 12:50 a.m. means midnight. So this is still within the afternoon. So from 8:40 in the morning to 12:50 in the afternoon. So very simply, just take 12:50 p.m. minus 8:40. So I will write this as 0840 equals to what? Now this one you can use your normal subtraction, but you must write a 0 there, okay? So 5 minus 4, 1, 12 minus 8. This is, be careful, 0. It becomes 12 minus 8 still. So this is still the same. So 4 hours and 10 minutes. So that is the answer for part A. Very simple. Now for part B, the question asks you to find what is the time taken from B to C. So basically they already tell you everything you need to know. They just want you to know what is the time taken from B all the way to C. So let's take a look at from A to B. A to B, they said that it took him 2 hours and 15 minutes. So here to here, take 2 hours 15. Then the last part, it took him 1 hour and 5. 1 hour and 5. Okay? And so they're asking you what is the missing time. So very simple, right? All you have to do is minus off. Why? Because the total is 4 hours and 10. So you need to minus this and this to get your B and C. For your B to C. It's almost like saying something like that. Okay. I'm going to draw for you something that that will resemble a model. Okay. So it's something like saying this. This whole thing is 4 hours and 10, which is what we just discovered, right? This is 2 hour 15. This is 1 hour 5. This is 2 hour 15. This is 1 hour 5. So what is this over here? Just minus lah. So let's do this. 4 hour 10 minus 2 hour 15. Okay, like I said, it gets very confusing if you do it this way. Okay, but let's do it hour minus hour first. 4 hour minus 2 hours give me 2 hours. Then 10 minutes minus 15 minutes gives me what? Oh, now how? Okay, so what you will do is you will take out becomes 1 hour 60 minutes minus 15 minutes. Because why? Because 2 hours is the same as 1 hour and 60 minutes. So then you will get 1 hour and 45 minutes. So that's the first one. Are we done yet? No, we are not. So to find B and C, we take 1 hour 45 minus... salah. Okay, 4 hour and 10, sorry. Okay, I'm going to redo this whole thing. 4 hour and 10 minutes, okay, minus 2 hours and 15 minutes, okay. Now this is the problem when things are so small. So I'm going to do it slowly, okay. 4 hour and 10, you minus 2 hours, so minus 2, you will get 2 hours and 10 minutes left, okay, and you minus 15 minutes. Okay, now since we have to, you cannot, 10 cannot minus 15, right, because it's actually bigger. So what you will do is, you will take these 2 hours as 1 hour and 60 minutes. So 1 hour 60 plus 10 minutes gives me 1 hour and 70 minutes. Minus 15 minutes, what do you get? You're left with 1 hour and 55 minutes. Yes, that one is correct. Okay, 1 hour and 55 minutes. And then of course you have to minus off the time taken from C to D, which is 1 hour and 5 minutes. So then the next part is to take 1 hour and 55 minutes minus 1 hour and 5 minutes. So like I said, hour minus hour becomes 1 minus 1 becomes 0, so no more hours. 55 minus 5 gives you 50 minutes. So the answer for part B is 50 minutes. And if you got that one right, high five to you because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay. Like I said, as you can if you can see, I actually make a few mistakes here and there, but you have to really be really careful when you do these things, especially with time. And you can't be writing so small like what I did, because of course here I have no choice, so I have to write really small. But on the actual exam paper, I will not do that. Try to write as big as possible so that your mind can see everything, your eyes can see everything. Alright, again, like I said, I'm going to leave you with the quote of the week, and the quote of the week is, if you work it, it will work out. Trust me on this one. If you do the system, if you continue doing the problem sums, and you keep up with me in class, things will go awesome. Alright, with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.